Hey, everyone! Today we're talking about the latest release from Google, the Google Pixel Fold phone. That's right, folks. Google has finally launched its first foldable phone, and it's called the Pixel Fold. So, what's new with the Pixel Fold? First up, the Pixel Fold boasts a flexible display that can be folded in half. This means you can enjoy a larger screen when you need it and then fold it up to fit in your pocket. Next, the Pixel Fold comes with an amazing camera. It has a 108 megapixels primary sensor and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, which means you can take stunning photos and videos. But that's not all. The Pixel Fold also has a feature called App Continuity, which allows you to seamlessly transition from the outer display to the inner display. This means you can easily multitask and use multiple apps at the same time. The Pixel Fold runs on Android 13, Google's latest operating system. It also comes with a ton of software features that make the most of the flexible display. You can use the Flex mode to view content from two different angles, and the Fold Assist feature will help you fold and unfold your phone smoothly. Now let's find out, when can you get your hands on the Pixel Fold? It will be available for pre-order starting today and will officially launch on June 15th. As for the price, it starts at $1,599. What do you think of the Pixel Fold? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates.